If you're feeling anxious and overwhelmed, I want you to try this right now with me. Tap right here. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale, okay? Good. So right here, we're releasing grief, disappointment, sadness, heartbreak. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling a yawn coming on. Good. You might feel like yawning. You might get tears streaming down your face. This is all normal. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Up here, we're releasing anxiety, anxiousness, overthinking, looping thoughts. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Good. Right here, we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Right here, by the side of the eye, we're also releasing frustration and anger. It's right next to the eye, okay? Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the nose. Oops, I forgot, under the eye. Take a deep breath in and out. This is really good right here when you're feeling overwhelmed and anxious. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This helps us release control energy. So when we're trying to control things. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go under the nose. This helps reconnect the mind and the body, energetically speaking. This helps us when we're feeling overwhelmed or disconnected from life and ourselves and feeling normal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Tapping on the body calls our energy back to us. So whether we're feeling depressed and we're thinking about the past, or if we're feeling anxious and thinking about the future, it brings that energy to this moment, this present time, so that you can start to heal. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. I just felt my chest opening up and relaxing. So just the muscles kind of opening up. We tend to protect our heart, so we cave our muscles in when we don't feel safe. Good. So at relaxing, it means that we feel safe. Take a deep breath in and out. Or under the lip. Good. This is helping to process energy and information around not speaking our truth to ourselves or others, speaking unkindly to ourselves. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You might feel your jaw relaxing. I just felt the bottoms of my feet tingling. That's a sign that I'm getting back into my body, processing the energy, and I'm getting grounded. Good. We're right here underneath the collarbone. So I can make a C, but you could do both hands if you want. Take a deep breath in and out. This is processing fear energy. Good. When we feel anxious and overwhelmed, it's usually because we're in fear. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. This is where we're offering ourselves a little bit more compassion and love and forgiveness. We're really hard on ourselves and too hard on ourselves. And this helps us bring our energy back, kind of apologize to ourselves. Just say it's going to be okay. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay, we're going to go to the outside of the body. So hands down from the armpit. This might be sore on you. It tends to be for people who are just new to this. This is processing energy and emotion, but also lymph. So when that gets stuck, it can make it feel sore. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. On the right side, we are moving anger, and on the left, we're moving worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So that's one round of tapping. You should be feeling a lot less anxious, a lot less overwhelmed. Good. Deep breath in and out. Where we're tapping is based on Chinese medicine, and the different points hold energy and emotion. And when we tap, it's sort of like allowing it to release. Good. Let's go to the top of the head. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. You can tap for as long as you'd like. You keep watching this video, or you could tap on your own once you learn the points. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You don't have to do this perfectly. It's great before bed, helping you to sleep better, fall asleep easier. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go under the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the nose. Deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the lip. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You're doing great. Tap underneath here, the collarbone. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Great. Center of the chest. Good. Deep breath in and out. Side of the body. Good. Deep breath in and out. You should be feeling a lot better right now. Let's tap on the hand. We've done 2 rounds of tapping now. Good. You should feel your shoulders relaxing, your mind becoming more at ease. You're more in the present moment. You're feeling the love for yourself and others. Good. You're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is where we rest, digest, and heal. Good. Take another deep breath in and out. Inner eyebrow. Good. Outside the eye. Good. Let's go under the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Go under the nose. Good. Good. Under the lip. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to under the collarbone. Good. Center of the chest. Always feels so good. Take a deep breath in and out. And inside the body. Good. Now I want you to hold your hands over your heart for 20 seconds. It's going to release oxytocin and help you to feel bonded to yourself and others, and get you deeper into the parasympathetic nervous system, where we rest, digest, and heal. All right, I love you. Keep tapping. You're doing great.